So today's video is going to be my November subscription to Kawaii box. So I'm sure it's going to be fall related. Let's see. Okay. So here it is, pristine condition. Okay. So this is the pamphlet showing what we're going to get in today's box, and I can already see a rope, which is kind of weird. Okay, so first things first is a fluffy pastel octopus plushie. So this is probably the octopus plushie. It looks really cute, and I've been wanting to add a bunch of charms to my backpack, so I think this would be really good. It's very soft too. Okay. Next we have the glitter animals and jewels puffy stickers. Well, I think this might be it, even though it says nope. It's right there. So underneath. Wow, these are actually cute. Like normally I don't really like stickers, they don't appeal to me. I actually might use these. Okay. Next, which I think is what had the rope, is the magical bunny pastel bag. So here it is. I think this would be good for like gifting to your friends, birthday stuff. My friend's birthday is tomorrow. I should probably get her something. Okay, so here's the inside. Normal bag. Nothing too special, like a paper bag, basically. Ooh, got some fluff stuck on it. Okay. So, after that, we have Magical Anime Girl Wand. I think this is here. Oh my god, okay, this is actually making me mad. So not too long ago was Halloween, right? And I was cosplaying, or I guess dressing up, as Sailor Mars, which this, okay, would have been perfect. I think this is the button, but obviously there's nothing in it. I'm sure this would light up if we had batteries. Oh, maybe pull this, maybe it'll work. I needed this during Halloween. Where was it? Okay, but that's really cool, especially for a Kawaii box. Just like free stuff. Okay, next up is Magical Wish Notes in a Bottle. Oh, now this is so cute. I want to open it. Okay, it has all the fluff from the octopus stuck on it. Like you can see, here's like this sticker. Just rip it off. Basically stuff in a cork bottle. I mean, the cork bottle itself can have many uses too. Very cute. Okay, has a bunch of little jewels inside of it. Let's take those out so we can try and get the message. Let's open this one. Man, this is small though. Okay, it might not have anything. I don't see anything here. Oh, never mind. Doesn't have anything. Okay, I think you have to write on it. But that'd be cute to like deliver messages to your friends, like for the birthday present that I need to make. Okay. After that, we have the, I can't pronounce that. Not gonna even try. Nope, water snack. Ugh, I hate the snacks. I'm not gonna even. It literally looks like styrofoam on the packaging, like actually. So, no, I'm gonna take a quick pass. Okay, next we have Metallic Mermaid Tail Pen. Okay, so here's the pen. Been needing a new pen, but I don't know if this is really to my liking. Oh, the tip is more dull than I would have expected. Let's see. I'm trying that in here. Oh, never mind. I guess it's dried, right? Oh, there you go. Okay, so it's the same as all the other pens. Ballpoint ink. This video is just making me look like a clown. Okay. So after that, we have a unicorn heroine pocket mirror. Yes, I've been needing a mirror. Okay, because okay, I don't know if I'm really gonna show that around school, but I recently got bangs, and I have like been trying. I always check them with my phone, and we're not allowed to use phones at school, but see, look, now you can look at yourself. Cute. Oh, yeah. Bangs looking crusty. Okay. So after that, we have the sparkly mermaid hair clip here. So I guess today's box is themed around like I guess some more on the feminine side with like mermaids and unicorns and pastel stuff. I'm not gonna wear it, but here's the clip. The graphics are blurry. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it just looks blurry. Okay, almost like it's poorly made, but still cute. Okay, and now we have the mystery Kawaii item. So you're telling me this was the item? So I'm not one for using jewel stickers. So I don't know how this will really be of any use to me. But I mean, could come in handy. Okay, so this was this month's buy box. There were some questionable items, but the one like actually really had me surprised. Like, it was really good for a Kawaii box, like a subscription box. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.